Hey guys!
Today we have this.
Wait, we have to say our names first. Lollipop Princess.
And Cutie Cupcake.
Here. You have to say Cutie Cupcake here. We don't even
Cutie
have
Cupcake's here.
We have this Gumball Machine. And we're going to test it out with some M&Ms. Because I don't like it. Can you let me show the M&Ms? Okay, I don't really like gumballs, so we got some M&Ms and we're going to see if they work out. If not, then we'll just have the gumballs in there.
Okay,
so we're going to start opening them. By the way, sorry for the Blind Friday. I'm just really busy. So, can you start opening it over here? Okay, there's a lot of noises. M&Ms. You guys like M&Ms?
I'm gonna whip this thing open while you guys.
Oh my god, I love M&Ms. I hope these don't just come like pouring out. That would be crazy. Oh, we still have the same background. We'll have to save it. I have a digibird back there. Didn't feel like changing it, so leave it like that.
We went somewhere to buy this Gumball Machine. We didn't know where we went.
Oh. The packaging went right in my face. Okay, so this is the Gumball Machine. And let's see if the top opens. Yeah,
This
it
thing
does.
spins.
So
It's like pulling a blind bag at us.
me,
A blind
wait,
thing.
let me take it.
You're so stupid! Of course I'm going to pull it in because my...
Okay, this thing won't come out. Whoa!
Oh my god. Maybe we should just use the scissors and cut it open from the butt.
I have an idea. We'll be right back.
So
All I
it's
did was
fun
just cut it in.
Aw, look at that. Oh my gosh.
Did you get
Here,
one?
try one.
You try that one. I'm gonna try my own. Ooh,
She
yum.
gets the yellow. You never know which one you're gonna get.
I don't like eating gumballs, so I'm just gonna put this back. Maybe I'll try them some other time. Okay.
So we can use them
So
and
these
use...
are delicious.
They're real. Let's just put these in randomly right now.
No, we're not gonna put them in. Okay, we'll be right back. I'll take these gumballs out, and I will put the M&Ms in. Be right back.
I want to put them in.
So we put 3 packets of M&Ms. 1, 2.
I cut one whole one.
What is the other one? I don't know. But we'll put 3 in here. Fill it up about half. So we're gonna need 6. But you don't really need that many. I mean, you could mix up the gumballs in here too. That's actually a pretty good idea.
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Sure.
First, let's show you how it is with the M&Ms. So I figured out there's this roly-poly thing down here.
I found it already.
Yeah, but you didn't figure out that you have to, once you're done with them,
Oh,
they're gonna all come out
guys.
unless you put it like this. So I'm gonna get some. Get these out. So they have to. It has to be straight.
But there's one a lot more.
So you can see some M&Ms came out.
Let's just
Take those. See, they're yummy. Why are they doing that? Okay, don't shake it or else they will come out. Okay, so this is all the M&Ms, and some of them are extras. So yeah, this is a good helpful. I mean, this is like enough for someone to eat. Oh, thank you. But yeah, so we're gonna eat these. So let's put these gumballs. Oh, into there. And then we'll shake it. Woo! And then we'll shake. Shake it all the time.
Where you put music on?
No, it would be copyright. Oh my God. It's a good mixture of gum and chocolatey goodness. Okay, let's try to mix this up.
Walk,
Whoa. this thing up. Get my teddy bear. Is it loud? Is it loud? Okay, so yeah, they're all mixed up in different places. The gumballs look like the peanut M&Ms. See, guys, came out. Some deliciousness came out. So yeah, that's delicious Gumball Machine. I'm getting hyper. You can put pretty much anything round in here, but make sure
that shape.
it's not covered in chocolate so that it doesn't
get stuck.
We might try some gummy bears in here.
Maybe.
But some other time. You guys have to figure that out yourself. But yeah, that was the Gumball Machine.
We found this at Dollarama.
Yep.
And it
Look.
cost.
You see what came out? See, a gumball came out. A gumball came out. She just took it. Yum, yum. We've had a lot of M&Ms for now. But yeah, that's the Gumball Machine. Did I say it again? Here you go. You can have these ones. It's really yummy. The M&Ms are always yummy.
I never tasted.
We are definitely keeping this in our kitchen. And we will.
Kitchen's not that good, but this is gonna make it bind it up. See that it's rainbow here and rainbow here?
It's gonna brighten this whole thing up. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. And have a candy-licious day. Bye. Oh.
I hope you like. Hope you have a great time. A lot.
In your hand. Okay, have a candy-licious day. Bye. Yeah.